In this video, I will show you all the great features of our brand new home screen. The home screen is the control center of your printer. All functions and information for daily work are combined here. This ensures that you always have all the information at a glance. At the top of the home screen you have the status bar. The status bar is always visible. On the left you have the general state of the printer. Blue means that the printer is stopped. Green means that the printer is in print mode and everything is okay. When the printer detects a problem, the state switches to orange for warnings or even to red for errors. When you tap on it, the printer shows the history of messages. You can also find the current date and time in the status bar. In the middle of the status bar you can see the name of the current menu. On the right there is the button for the user control. When you tap on it, you can change the user, log out or change your password. If you are working with network connections or with interfaces, then you have more icons in the status bar. When you tap on it, the printer shows the current state of the network connection or the interface. At the bottom of the home screen is the menu bar. Like the status bar, the menu bar is always visible. On the left side you can find the icon for restart or shut down. Tapping on the icon shuts the printer down. By tapping long on the icon you can restart the printer. In the middle of the menu bar are the icons for the main pages, the home screen, the editor, the explorer, the maintenance, and the settings. On the right side of the menu bar you can find the name of the current display. This is helpful for the communication with other users or with the support department. Below the status bar, you can see the fill levels of ink and solvent. By tapping on the display you can choose if you want to see the remaining time or the date for refilling. For ink you can also display the remaining prints. In this area you can see the current speed of your product. By tapping on it you can switch between meters per minute or products per minute. Here you can see the smart efficiency state. Smart efficiency is divided into three parts: solvent efficiency, energy efficiency, and printer efficiency. When you tap on this area, the printer shows detailed information on smart efficiency. Here you can also reset the current efficiency state and set the eco mode active or inactive. In this ribbon you can see the preview of the currently loaded job. This is the name of the job file. By tapping on the pencil icon you can edit the current job. To go back, simply tap on the home screen icon in the menu bar. Tap on the folder icon to load a job for printing. With the zoom icons you can zoom in or zoom out. You can also zoom by using two finger gestures on the preview. Just spread to zoom in and pinch to zoom out. The product counter counts the total amount of prints. By tapping on the product counter you can reset the product counter, set a stop value, or activate the second product counter. In the lower right corner you can see the control to start or stop the printer. Depending on the current state of the printer, the control changes its color, icons, and captions. At the moment the printer is stopped and the nozzle sealing system is closed. To prepare the printer for printing, simply tap on the play button. The nozzle sealing system opens and the printer prepares for printing. Now the printer is ready for printing. To start printing, tap on the play button again. To stop printing, tap on the pause icon. If you want to close the nozzle sealing system, you can tap on the button Close Now. That's it. I hope you enjoy working with the new home screen.